Now in class 10 chemistry, we will start with the nitric acid as oxidizing agent. So first, nitric acid is powerful oxidizing agent. We all know that we can oxidize almost all metal, non-metal, metalloid, inorganic or organic substances. Decomposition of HNO3 at any constant condition produced undergo auto decomposition or decomposition under heating. The oxidates into nitrogen, that is nascent oxygen and water is produced as 2HNO3. It comes as H2O plus 2NO2 plus nascent oxygen. So here 2HNO3, then dilute if we see, then H2O plus 2NO plus 3 nascent oxygen, whereas in case of very dilute it is H2O and N2O and also 4 molecule of nascent oxygen. Now if we see that two metal, that is Zn and Cu, can produce H2 gas on reacting with HNO3 due to the strong oxidizing power of nitric acid. Now what is the action of nitric acid in different dilutions of zinc? If we see that when nitric acid reacts with zinc, it forms zinc nitrate, different oxides of nitrogen, oxides of nitrogen, and there are ammonium nitrate or water reaction like Zn plus 4HNO3 concentrated ZnNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O, where it is dilute, then 3Zn plus 8HNO3, then 3ZnNO3 whole twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. In case of very dilute, that is 4Zn plus 10HNO3, it is termed as 4ZnNO3 whole twice plus NH4NO3 plus 3H2O. Now when copper reacts with nitric acid in different concentration, then Cu plus 4HNO3, that is hot and concentrated, is CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. When 3Cu plus 8HNO3, that is dilute and cold, that is 3CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Whereas in 4Cu plus 10HNO3, that is very dilute and cold, that is 4CuNO3 whole twice plus N2O plus 5H2O. Whereas 5Cu plus 2HNO3, that is hot copper and vapor HNO3, that is 5CuO plus N2 plus H2O. These are the different reaction in case of copper. Now what is passive iron? If we ask, then when iron comes in contact with concentrated or fuming nitric acid, a coating of oxide form on the surface of iron, and they prevent the iron to exhibit the normal chemical behavior and so remains unreactive in different chemical reaction, and this is known as the passive iron, and the phenomenon of passivity of iron. Now how we can regain this metal? By removing the oxide coating from the surface of metal, either chemically or mechanically, the reactivity of iron can be regained. Now what is aqua regia? If we ask, that aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio of 3:1 by volume. It used to dissolve several noble metal like gold, platinum, and which are insoluble in defined mineral acids. Concentrated HNO3, if we see that HNO3 plus 3HCl, then NOCl plus 2H2O plus 2 nascent Cl, then Au plus 3 nascent Cl, AuCl3, or Pt plus 4 nascent Cl, then it will form as PtCl4. So these are the different reaction, and also it can react with carbon, then carbon plus 4HNO3, then Cu2 plus 4NO2 plus 2H2O. Sulfur react with HNO3, then S plus 6HNO3, then H2SO4 plus 6NO2 plus 2H2O, or P plus 5HNO3, that is H3PO4 plus 5NO2 plus H2O, it is phosphorus. And iodine with I2 plus 10HNO3, it is termed as 2HiO3 plus 10NO2 plus 4H2O. In case of H2S, when react with HNO3, then 3H2S plus 2HNO3, then 3S plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Sometimes SO2 react with HNO3, then 3SO2 plus 2HNO3, then 2H2 also, then 3H2SO4 plus 2NO. Whereas in case of ferrous sulfate, in the presence of H2SO4, then 6FeSO4 plus 3H2SO4 plus 2HNO3, then 3Fe2SO4 whole thrice plus 2NO plus 4H2. So these are the different reaction in case of nitric acid. So today up to that, next we will start with another